Well, good morning, beautiful people. Most of the time, you all know me as Dad Steven, but today I'm gonna be PE coach Dad Steven. I've got Liam with me today. We're at the gym, and man, I'm gonna give him his first big workout today. Are you pumped? Yeah. Are you petrified? Are you scared? We're at the boxing gym, but we're gonna do a little weightlifting, we're gonna do a little cardio, and then we're gonna do a little boxing. It's gonna be awesome. You're gonna destroy this thing. I'm so excited, man.
Let's go.
Let's go. I will say homeschooler PE is way cooler, huh? You ready to rock? Hey, guess what? You rock. All right, bro. To start out, we're gonna warm up. We're gonna do some jumping jacks, some jumping rope, some push-ups, some squats, and some other good stuff, all right? Just like that. Nice! See? You got this, dude. Do 3 more. Yeah, 3 more. Nice. Nice. There you go. Oh, you're overachieving here. All right, next up, buddy. We're gonna do kettlebell swings. So take that. All right, you got it? A little heavy? Is that okay?
Yeah.
That's good? All right. It is a big day when a son gets to wear his dad's boxing gloves. So treat them with care and beat the heck out of the bags with them, okay? They may be a little big for you, but that's okay. You'll grow into them. I'll get you some, okay? So I'm gonna show you some moves, all right? There you go. See, I'm hitting right here. Not the foot. You're going. You're going. There you go. There you go. The bag's a bully. The bag's a bully that's making you feel like poop every day. There you go. You're smiling way too much for that bag to be a bully.
It's okay, bully. I forgive you.
It's okay, bully. I forgive you. It's a good workout? Yeah? You look like you're getting a little sweat on. Just a little. You don't really sweat much.
I sweat when it's hot outside, that's what.
Yeah.
If I'm working out, I don't sweat that much.
You're killing it, man. I'm sweating like crazy right now. All right, finish out. We're doing some tire slams. Pretty sick, dude. Get it, man. This will get you strong to carry Lincoln. There you go. Last one, last one. We'll be done, all right? Nice. Well done, amigo. High five. Boom. Let's go get some protein. Your workout is not over. Because we gotta fill these propane tanks. So go ahead and lift that out. It's not too bad when it's empty. It'll be fun trying to put them back in. I want to see what you can do.
Oh, wow. I better get back in the car.
See if you can't lift that up. What do you think? A lot heavier, huh? Think you can carry that to the car? You want me to do it? You can do it? It's your last workout of the day, man. Yep. You thought the tire was heavy. Alright, I'll get it.
No, I got it.
You got it?
I'm not giving up.
Okay, don't give up. I won't give up. I'm not gonna lie, I'm impressed, man. I am impressed. No lie, I never thought I would be that guy that like fantasizes about having a riding lawnmower, but every time I come here to Tractor Supply, I'm like, she will be mine. Oh yes, she will be mine. I want the yellow Cub Cadet, man. Thing's a stud. Thanks, Tractor Supply.
Welcome.
Propane, which means we can have a hot shower. You want to try a protein shake?
Sure.
Alright, so we do protein after we work out because when you work out, it breaks down your muscles. You want to fuel your muscles so they don't just break down, but they can actually build up, okay? So I use 1 scoop of this vegan peanut butter just to give it a little flavor.
Peanut butter?
Mm-hmm. And then I do a scoop of Isopure, 0 carb, flavorless whey. Why am I saying what whey? And that was, it's basically empty, so I didn't get a full scoop. Go there. And then you just give it a whopper. Like a shake weight. Kind of just shake it all up. And then I just down the whole thing. It doesn't taste good. I mean, it tastes okay, but I don't enjoy it. I just want to get my fuel, so I just just like that.
Okay.
You want to do it? You want me to give it a go? Okay, let's make you one. So for you, we'll probably just do half and half, okay? Instead of, you don't need as much as I do, because I'm going based on my body weight. We'll go based on your body weight too. So that's, huh? So that's, let's give the last of that little bit there. Tell you what, man, this Isopure, it's a lifesaver. Because it's no carbs. And very low fat, low calorie. Now pop that sucker on. Give it a shake. Oh, no, you gotta pop it on. Alright, you gotta make sure it's really on, okay? You got it? Now give it a shake. Nice. Alright, alright. Drink it all up. Gonna get those muscles. Just drink it. You don't have to smell it. That's why I just gulp it down. I don't try to enjoy it. There you go. There you go. Nice. I put a lot of hot sauce on there. Hope it's not too spicy.
That's good.
It's good. Got the cheesy omelet with the hot sauce, rocking and rolling, man.
Yep.
Staples like, can I please have a bite? No. Alright, we got everything clean, and we're going to get started on some schoolwork. I'm going to get a little work done before Linky gets here, and then we're going to take him to therapy and have a good day. What you working on today?
I have 3 quizzes.
Wow.
And then 1 lesson.
It's a big day. Outside, but we have to take Lincoln to therapy, so Liam and I are going to take him, drop him off, and then we're going to work from a coffee shop. He's going to do his schoolwork. I'm going to get a little work done from the coffee shop, and we're going to try to stay dry doing it, which I don't even know if it's possible, but we're going to give it a go. All right, here we go. It's so wet. Got to go back and shut the door. Go, 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 go.
Oh my god.
Whew.
There you go.
Whoa.
Ready?
Alright guys, we're back home. It's still raining like crazy and we're just waiting on Amanda and the girls' flights to get in so we can go get them. Ethan's gonna get in on the bus here in a second, and then Jude. And so, you know, we're just hanging out in the rain. We're gonna close this thing out because there's not much we can do that would be not boring for you to watch. But we love you guys. Hope you enjoyed this day in the life of a homeschool gym teacher dad. But we will see you next time. Adios.
Bye. Bye.
For your name's sake, you will lead me